Hello and welcome back to another hacking video. I'm Ed. In the previous videos, I was going through my reverse PowerShell script that's been expanded. It started off as plain, as you can see on the screen, and then we added sharp hound and different other things. What I want to show you today is I actually converted this to a VBA script and embedded it in a Word macro, and I was able to achieve the same result. Um, Before we continue, just want to let you know I have permission to this lab. I own it, belongs to me, so I have permission to hack it. Please practice safe hacking. I will not be sharing the VBA script, obviously for security reasons, but I just want to show you how easy it is. There's nothing that the user sees when they run it. Defender does flag it, it does delete it, etc. So from a PowerShell script running here, the Defender doesn't detect, but the macro it does. I turned off Defender in this video, but to show you how easy it is, if you enable macros in Office products, please be careful. You don't know what you're enabling, and at the end of the day, you've given somebody access and the user is unaware of it. So let me show you my Kali machine. Kali machine is listening on port 8000, and I have a for downloading the NC file, and then obviously I have a listener as well because it's embedded in the macro itself. If I switch back to my Exchange server here and I go and I run this document, so when it launches, obviously you're going to get the security warning. Now I'm a user, I clicked enable, I don't notice anything different. If I go back to my Kali machine, you'll notice that it downloaded Netcat, dumped it in the Windows temp directory, and I have a reverse shell, as you can see, on the machine. So very silent. I'm obviously now a full admin on this box that I have a reverse shell to. I can do whatever I need to do now. If I'm a unethical hacker, if you want to call it that, I'll obviously go further, you know, put in persistence in run it as a scheduled task, etc., which we've covered in one of the other videos as well, that you can run PowerShell scripts on a scheduled task to give you that persistence if a machine reboots, etc. But just to show you in Word, there's nothing happening here. There is the user is unaware of what's going on. Obviously, we know that in the background I have PowerShell running, and obviously I've got a reverse shell, so I'm good on that front. What I do want to show you is if I go and enable Defender quickly, I just want to show you that um, it will flag it. Just give it a second. Okay, and we're not going to submit the sample. And let me just exit out of here and then start the listener again. And if I run it, it should flag it. See, I haven't got anything. Defender should come up and say that it's found a bad file. Let's have a look. Nothing yet. I can actually go run this macro manually, and let's see what it does. There we go. So obviously you can see I downloaded the file and Defender terminated the connection, and it doesn't actually give me a reverse shell. So please be vigilant, make your users aware that macros contain hidden information. You saw that I had got a reverse shell here, I'm full admin on the box, and at the end of the day, this can lead to bigger things which you don't want. So either disable macros if you don't need them to protect your users, or educate your users in the sense that macros are dangerous. rather ask somebody before you enable it so they can go and view what the macro actually does. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.